The party's breaking up. People are starting to leave. Mike and Cindy are headed home. You got a long drive ahead of you.
Yeah.
You do a long drive all day.
Well, thank you so much for everything you shared out here. I think this is just a sweet event. So
It's so much fun. I've been able to do these type of things and like portions of it a number of times through my career, but it's really hard to get the right circumstances to pull this off. And it's like a 3-day party, right?
that's right.
It's
Celebration of the food.
We all have a safe drive.
The work is fun. It's hard, but it's fun because of it.
Anna's cooking breakfast. Hi, Anna. Bree was helping with the chores, and this morning, and Justin's chickens are in a new location this morning. I'm missing out on a little bit of the fun because my kids broke a window in Justin's house, and I'm working on that in the workshop here. I went home yesterday, fed animals, came back. We're gonna get home pretty soon and do our chores a little late, but we have some work to do first. Hey, stud muffin. Holy moly.
Longer this morning.
Are you getting some shots of it, Jenna?
I'm gonna get the hind nose.
In the camper. How are y'all doing this morning?
Oh,
It's warm in here.
trying to stay awake.
We're exhausted.
Yeah.
I bet you are. You've been going.
It was fun though. It was an awesome weekend.
Okay. Are y'all leaving today?
Yeah.
Okay. How many hours? Is it like all day and a half? Is it a day and a half or?
We're going to a
Campground.
campground
Yeah.
because we have shopping and preparation,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
and then from there, I think Friday is when we're leaving to
Okay.
head to Missouri.
Okay, cool. They're going out to stay with Jim and Renda and help them basically finish renovating their house, put their house back together so they can sell it.
Yep.
Renda has cancer basically. They're working on tests and diagnosing it, but they've realized they can't run a full-size homestead right now. I know my girls enjoyed playing with you guys, with you boys. Enjoyed it a lot.
I think everybody's just wiped out.
I know.
Everybody's so quiet and tired.
Why is no one talking?
Hardcore play.
Well, good to work with y'all.
Yeah,
we'll see you here in a little
blast.
See you guys again.
Won't be the last time.
Nope.
Nope.
Not at all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, see ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite a challenge to find everything and get it all loaded up after a weekend like this with so many people and so much stuff. There's bikes everywhere, kids everywhere. We're loading up. And getting it all. Where's your bike? That's a fine question, young woman. Why don't you look around and see if you can find it?
I already did.
Well, try again. It is so nice to be home, carrying all this stuff in. It is so cold out here. Temperature has returned to winter appropriateness. There's snow on the porch. Yeah. We just got home, a little while, and we're having some, a little while ago. Did I skip a
word.
word? We're having a little downtime. Feels really good to be home, as usual.
Home's so good.
Well, we're tired, but we had a great time.
No, that's old. Round 2. What do you want to say about the weekend?
3 things that stood out for me are how much fun it was to work with other people. 2, how much I learned about actually cutting meat. And then 3, what I learned about staging that process. Like what that needs to look like, at least if you have 5 hogs in it.
I enjoyed meeting people that watch our vlog. That was fun, and hearing their stories and why they were there. And I just enjoyed being around like-minded families for like a whole weekend. That really encouraged me and really inspired me. And yeah, I didn't really get to be super involved in the process of butchering, but that's okay. I'll get my turn. But yeah, I really think that anytime, no matter what you're into, but for us, but obviously for us, that is, for this weekend was butchering hogs, and homesteading, different homesteading things. Anytime that you can be in groups of people, whether it's a workshop or a conference or just a get together, do it. Even if it's a sacrifice of your time or even your money, because not only will you learn, but you'll be encouraged and inspired to continue learning and to continue doing what you're doing. So I think for me, that's what I took away, even though I didn't really get to butcher.
Thanks for joining us, folks.
We're
See you
tired.
soon. We're tired. Bye-bye.
We're tired in all the good ways.